Hey lawyers, today I'm sharing one of the top 4 reasons why personal injury clients should keep their doctor appointments. Actually, this video is why client educational videos are really valuable. There's 3 ways to work with us. Our agency does it all for you, coaching, and self-study courses. Hey, it's Mary Cary again, your legal marketing director, website developer, and video production expert. One of the biggest concerns that I hear from your actual clients is that they don't get enough communication from the law firm during their case. Things just take longer than they expect, and they tend to need a lot of hand-holding. Creating client educational videos can also help your case. So, one of the most important things once you sign a client is building their case, and their medical evidence, for instance, is one of the most important components. Here's an example of a video script for your personal injury clients. But first, a quick introduction. I've produced over 10,000 law firm videos in all different styles. Having a video is easy, but having a video that reaches or surpasses your goals is not so easy. While my marketing agency does everything related to signing new clients and streamlining your practice,
where'd they find this guy?
I think that I'm best known for video production, not only from directing so many thousands of videos and building video studios in law firms, but as the marketing agency tracking the data that proves that the videos reached their goals. And marketing, when done correctly, is a fabulous investment. So let's jump into this subject. So let's look at an example of some content that you might use to communicate with your personal injury clients, which keeps them looped in, as well as keeping your case on track. I'm using the subject here of medical appointments. There are several reasons why personal injury clients should keep their doctor appointments after an injury. 1. Medical treatment is important for recovery. After a personal injury, it's important to seek medical treatment in order to properly diagnose and treat any injury sustained, and this can also help reduce the risk of complications and ensure a full recovery. Doctor appointments are also necessary for documenting injuries. In order to receive compensation for your personal injury, it's really important to have a record of the injuries sustained and the medical treatment received. Keeping doctor appointments and following through with recommended treatment will help to document the extent of your injuries and the need for compensation. A personal injury client can show that they're taking their injuries seriously and doing everything they can to recover. This can help improve the outcome of a personal injury case and increase the chances of receiving fair compensation. Doctor appointments can help to prevent future problems. By seeking medical treatment and following through with recommended treatment, personal injury clients can help prevent future problems and complications related to their injuries. This can help improve overall health and well-being. Additionally, I have seen an issue where my law firms go to all the work and trouble of creating these kinds of educational videos, but then they don't have a system for sharing the videos with the clients. So make sure that you send out regular automated emails with client educational videos to keep your clients educated and informed about their progress. But also, these can be just generic reminders like that one to keep their doctor appointments. If you have any questions, ideas, or a project, email me anytime, mary@GoMediaMarketing.com. Thanks for watching, and here's to your success. Having some inspiration? Let's take your project from a dream to reality. Email me right now. Join us on Facebook, and if you're on YouTube, make sure to hit the thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. That's so that more law firms like yours can find this content. Thank you so much.